In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams from the Microsoft Store. To get started, go down to your keyboard and press the Windows key and the S key at the same time. This opens the Windows search feature, which is one of the fastest ways to find apps and built-in tools on your computer. In the search box, type Microsoft Store and then click on it to launch the app. If your computer takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, so just give it a few seconds. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look toward the top area of the window for the search bar. Click into that search field and type Microsoft Teams. As you type, you may see suggestions appear underneath. If you do, you can either click the Microsoft Teams result from the suggestions or simply finish typing and press enter to search. This will take you to the Teams app listing in the store. When you're on the Microsoft Teams page, look for the button that says Get or Install. The wording can vary depending on whether the app has been installed on your device before, but both options will begin the same process. Click that button to start downloading the app. At this point, the Microsoft Store will begin installing Teams automatically. Depending on your internet speed and your computer's performance, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. While the download is in progress, it's a good idea to keep the store window open and wait until the installation is fully complete. You may see a progress indicator showing how much of the download has finished. Once everything is installed, the button will change and you should see an option that says Open. Go ahead and click Open to launch Microsoft Teams for the first time. After that, the app should start and be ready for you to continue with setup or sign in, depending on your needs. And that's it. By using the Microsoft Store, you're installing the official version of Microsoft Teams directly through Windows, which is simple and convenient. If you found this helpful, you can replay the video anytime as you go through the process on your own computer.